Students, welcome to science class of day 2 of chapter The Cell, its structure and functions. Topic for today is parts of a cell. Cell has main three parts: protoplasm, cell membrane, nucleus. Look at the diagram. This is the diagram of cell. It has three main parts. Number one is nucleus, which is present in the center of the cell. Sometimes it is present at the periphery. Periphery means at the corner of the cell. It has a outer covering that is called cell membrane, and third part is protoplasm. Now we will study one by one about the parts of the cell. Protoplasm. It is a gel-like material surrounded by outer covering called cell membrane or plasma membrane. The portion of protoplasm lying inner to cell membrane and outside nuclear membrane is called cytoplasm. Main components of protoplasm are carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals with a large proportion of water. All these components work together to provide a unique living nature to the protoplasm. It acts as a ground substance for all cell activities. Protoplasm consists of cytoplasm and cell membrane. All living cells are bounded by a membrane called cell membrane. Function of cell membrane is to control entry and exit of substances within the cell according to its requirements. These substances may be gases, liquids or solids. In plants, fungi and bacteria, one additional outer covering is present called cell wall. Cell wall is an important covering as it provides rigidity and protection against variations in the environment. It also gives a definite shape, size and support to the cell. Nucleus. It is the most important part of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell. It is a dense structure bounded by nuclear membrane. Protoplasm of the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. It has thread-like network called chromatin. When the cell is ready to divide, this chromatin condenses to form thicker thread-like structures called chromosomes. These chromosomes are the structures responsible for the inheritance of characters from one generation to the next generation. Students, now this is revision time. You have to do these questions in your rough notebook. Question number 1 is draw label diagram of a typical cell. Question number 2, name part A, the control house of the cell. B, the outer covering of the cell. C, the outer covering of nucleus. Question number 3 is write names of components of protoplasm. Thank you and have a nice day.